Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
Sheikh, if someone want to become a student of knowledge, like can you guide like what books to read and how to read? I'm also doing hifz from Madina Halaka and learning Arabic from another Sheikh, but I'm only memorizing Quran. I'm not contemplating the meaning. Can I take help of YouTube? I don't have any Sheikh who would personally help me. Like, can you give me a guideline? I think the answer will be a bit long, but it will help us all.
I will not answer you because it will be very long. If you go back to my YouTube channel, you will find the answer there, inshallah. Also, if you visit islamqa.info, it will give you a list of the books that a student of knowledge should acquire and learn from in order to be a student of knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Yes, so I have to do school homework, but in order to do this, I have to read a book, but this book's filled with inappropriate stuff and probably kufr. So I wanted to ask, can I do internet research or work with AI? But I wouldn't ask AI and then just paste the answers. I guess this would be cheating. But I would like ask what happens in the book. If this,
those who study in a kafir country are sometimes obliged to study kufr. And for example, the theory of evolution and that the origin of man is monkeys and apes. So answering such questions just to pass the exam or to make a homework is permissible while resenting and hating it in your heart due to necessity.